I'm standing here by the Sea of Galilee, and I want to ask you, have you ever forgiven yourself? I'm going to cry because this is such an important question. This is the place where Jesus had a fire waiting for his disciples after a full night of fishing when they caught nothing. This was after Jesus rose from the grave. And Jesus, he had them come up to shore. He had just told them to fish on the right side. They fished all night and caught nothing. That actually was the miracle, because it's not a problem to catch fish here. The miracle was that they didn't catch fish all night. And yet he says, go to the right side. They filled their nets and they came up on shore, and Jesus had a fire waiting for them. And he said, Peter, bring me your fish. And when Peter came over, Jesus asked him 3 questions. These were the 3 questions. Jesus knew Peter's heart. Jesus knew Peter loved him. Peter needed to forgive himself. And so Jesus was asking him these questions so that Peter could recognize and he could say out loud, Lord, you know I love you. By saying that, Lord, I know you know I love you, it gives us a chance to reiterate to him how important he is in our life. That way we can forgive ourselves. It's not enough to just say, I love you, Lord. We have to also say to ourselves, I'm forgiven. When we forgive ourselves, we are then able to love our neighbors. We are then able to serve God in the way that he's created us to serve. So as you see the Sea of Galilee here, and it's kind of hard to visualize right now because it's so overcast and kind of foggy, but still understand this is the shore because 7 springs of fresh water come here. This is where they would have washed out their nets. This is where the fish would migrate because of the snow melting. So this is the actual place it would have taken place. So the question to you is, have you forgiven yourself? You say you love God, but have you forgiven yourself? Because unforgiveness is what inhibits our life of being the victory that Jesus has called us to live. Annette Reeder, the Biblical Nutritionist, thanks for watching.